you create emails in Outlook, you should create a signature. Notice here how I have an automatic signature that comes up whenever I create an email. In fact, I have more than one. If I right-click my signature, I can switch to another signature that I've got. And when I right-click again, I can switch to another signature. To manage signatures and create signatures, from the Message tab in the ribbon, click the Signature button and then choose Signatures. You can create as many signatures as you like. For example, I think most people should have an internal signature and an external signature. An external signature is your full job title, your phone number, your address, and all the means to which somebody can contact you. But an internal signature is for those colleagues within your organisation. For example, I might click the New button and create a new signature. And I'll just call it CB, short for Kathy Barker, and this will be my internal signature. You can give it any name you like. And I'll click OK. In this large area here, I'll type what I want in my internal signature. So I just want Kathy Barker, extension 5343. What I can then do is save this signature. And I might create another new signature. The new signature might be just the disclaimer. So I'll click on an original signature and I'll highlight the text I want to use. So I'm going to highlight this text here just to save me typing it. And I'll take a copy and then I'll make a new signature and I'll call it CB Disclaimer and OK. And then I'll simply click in here, right click and paste my disclaimer and save. So now I have Software Solutions external signature, Kathy Barker internal signature, just the disclaimer, and I have my Bayrotters signature as well. I may want to create another new signature and just call it Kathy Barker blank. And it's just a blank signature. I'll click OK and I'll just type a couple of spaces and save. What I can do now is I can switch between potentially 5 signatures. And just notice out the right here that when I'm using this particular email account, my default signature for a new message is the Software Solutions signature, and my default signature for replying or forwarding to messages is also the Software Solutions signature, which looks like this. If you have more than one account, you can actually say which signatures you would like to use for new messages and when you're replying or forwarding a message. But I'll click OK. What I can do now when I'm constructing an email is I can accept the default signature, or I can right click and change it to my disclaimer only. Or I can right click and change it to my internal signature. Or I can right click and choose it Software Solutions signature, or right click between any of the signatures including the blank if I don't want a signature. And because I typed 2 spaces, I can right click on one of the spaces and switch it back to my Software Solutions signature. Alternatively, on the Message tab in the ribbon, you can also switch between signatures using the Signature button, and you can manage your signatures using the Signatures option.